So I start off this project by ripping a bunch of 3/4 inch stock to 1 inches wide on the table saw. Then I cut 48 pieces at 6 inches, 12 pieces at 10 inches, and another 12 pieces at 4 inches on the miter saw. Now moving the miter saw, I cut a 30-degree miter on both ends at 4 inches, and I'll need 24 of these.
And all that cutting equals a whole lot of small parts.
Now I'm marking the center line on the table brace and seat supports for reference to keep everything aligned during assembly. Starting assembly with the legs, I'll be using 1 1/4" finish nails, and I'll be using these throughout the whole project. Here I'm using one of the seat supports as a spacer to attach the actual seat support in the right spot on all the legs. I'm attempting to use this 1/2 inch piece of ply as a jig of sorts to get a 1/2 inch overhang on the top and also align everything. It kinda worked. Now I'll make the bracket that holds the table to the tree, utilizing that 1/2 inch overhang from the tabletop. Now for the bucket. For the finishing touch, I drilled a hole in the center of the table and bucket and used a 1/4 inch by 1 1/4 inch bolt to secure the bucket to the table, and voila, a squirrel picnic table.